When playing Dungeons and Dragons, there's so much to remember about your character. There's HP, features, and even your inventory can get difficult to follow. So if you're worried that your DMing skills aren't up to par, we're going to give you 3 tips to being a better DM. The first thing you can do, and probably the one that will help you the fastest, is to just ask your group for feedback. There's nothing wrong with reaching out to them and asking them what they want more of, or less of. Ask them for positive and constructive feedback and then implement little changes each session. These little changes will build up into big strides the longer you DM. Figure out your strengths and weaknesses. Are you really good at describing combat? Do you channel your inner Mortal Kombat when describing those scenes? But then you see eyes glaze when talking about traveling or when role-playing. Well, then applaud yourself for your sick, bloodthirsty combat and take a step back and realize that you have some notes to take in other areas. Celebrate what you're good at and remember that nobody is perfect at anything, so it's okay to know that you have areas to work on. Figure out what you're good at, do more of it, and find out what you can work on and improve. Over time, you'll be amazed how much better you'll be. The last tip is to stop comparing yourself. So many people compare themselves to the top role-playing DMs out there like Brennan Lee Mulligan, Matt Mercer, Abria Iyengar. No matter what you do, you'll never be them. So just get that through your head first. And that doesn't have to be a bad thing. Your players may think you're their favorite DM 100 times better than Matt Mercer because you make them laugh more. So the third tip is to be more you. Finding a style all your own, creating characters memorable to you and your party. That's what D&D is all about. Stop holding back. Let go, and by doing that, I promise you'll commit in better ways, dig deeper for better characters, simply because you're no longer bogging your mind down with fear. Fear is the mind killer. Remember, the only thing that really matters at the end of the day is, are you having fun? Dungeons and Dragons is a game, and while it's okay to want to be a better DM, don't let it ruin the good times you have while playing it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope it will help some of you get into that DM seat and enjoy being the storytellers for once. So start weaving some of your own stories. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.